Hello friends, welcome back. I was thinking this could be like a new trend where I just like start in the background, just like all the other YouTubers. Anyway, guess who's back? Back again. Guess Shady's back. Tell your friends. Still figuring out the lighting, but I think this is gonna work. Who's that? Who's she? If I look pretty today, it's because I woke up this morning and I was like, I need new headshots. So they look something like this. Blue steel, you know. Enough messing around. Today I'm showing you the Conair big travel rollers. The Conair travel hot rollers. I've been using hot rollers since I was like 12 years old. They've just always been around. They've always been a thing, but this is a compact set. Bought it myself, and you can travel with it, right? So unfortunately, it's like it doesn't come with that many. I think like if you have a lot of hair like me, you probably need a couple of them, but I have used them once on my hair before because first impressions are good, but it's so much better when you can tell people like exactly what you think about a product. But my favorite thing about this is the zippy pouch and the little, it even has a pocket for the metal things. I don't know how many of these I've lost in my life, but I'm sure they're in multiple carpets in multiple apartments I've rented. So anyway, it comes with 4 little teeny tiny ones and 3 medium-sized ones and 3 big ones. So these are hot. They've been heating up for like, I don't know how long because your girl forgot. Your girl plugged them in. There's no on and off switch. It's just you plug it into the outlet, it immediately starts heating up. And your girl forgot about it. She was looking through her phone at photos of herself. Guilty as charged. I think we already know that I like myself a lot, so no surprise there. If there was a mirror, I would glue myself to it. That made no sense. But so these are super warm. Already the biggest difference that I notice is like if you have like the bigger ones, there's that slit in the middle, which is fine, but if you ever notice, sometimes it'll give you like a little dent in your hair, especially from these clips. Didn't notice that with this. I also like this because it does have the comb pieces, so you can almost like comb it a little so it's like a little bit more flat and less you know what I'm talking about. You can almost like comb it in there, it almost sticks a little, whereas like the traditional ones did not at all. So my hair is like, I straightened it and then like curled the end, so it's the perfect time to do hot rollers because my hair is naturally curly, so I usually have to straighten my hair before I curl it. So this is good. This is good. I actually, do you know that YouTuber who, so this is why I like it. See how it like combs it in there like that? There's this YouTuber, she keeps making like Marilyn Monroe makeup tutorials and stuff, but she recently tested out rollers and they made her hair so curly. Like I wish I could do that to my hair. It's so much hair that like the bottom will get curled but like not the top, so I'm only going to do the front portion of my hair because I don't have enough rollers for all of my hair, but you'll see it still gives it like a pretty nice curl at the end. Doesn't curl the top part because because my hair is just so long and so big, but this light has a timer, so I think it goes off every 3 minutes or so, 5 minutes or so. Okay, so the way they like curled their hair in the 1950s was they would just do like all the hair to the back. So I'm going to do the same thing. Also, this is going to give my roots some lift, a little bit of volume. And now we're going to speed this up. You're not really missing anything. The only thing I'm talking about is how I have to do my roots. And I think I'm going to switch back to using Ion Cream Developer or the Iron Cream Bleach with Developer, because as you can see, I have a lot of banding and I didn't even notice it until this video. It's totally aware of it now. If you notice the gold banding, yeah, I don't know. I guess I just got really lazy or really distracted when I was doing my hair the last year, because that's a lot of banding. That's at least like 5 times that I bleached my hair. Hey, time for a song. Don't worry, the fast forward section is almost over. How was your guys' day? Did you guys have a exciting day? Any summer plans? Leave those in the comments down below. And it's over. Back to regular scheduled program. Okay, and that's it. I used all of them. You can see like how it, the little mechanism, the hot, I don't know what it's called, the hot thing. So, it didn't do all my hair, obviously. Like I told you, I was not going to do all my hair, but that's fine. This is just like the bottom hair, which usually flattens out anyways, just from, I don't know, just from humidity, the atmosphere. So they're not like hot, they're not like gonna burn you, which is great. So you don't need like gloves or anything. And yeah, pretty safe to use. Like I think I would trust like a teenager with this. And so I can definitely feel that they're warm. I'm gonna leave it in for like 10-15 minutes. You can obviously go to bed and sleep in these if you wanted to. I would leave the back, like I wouldn't put any in the back. I would just kind of put them all on the top of my head or on the side. That way you can sleep more comfortably. But yeah, I'm gonna let these cool off and then take them out and I will come back. Okay, so they have cooled off. I also wanted to show you that the only thing I put in my hair besides like washing it, like shampoo and conditioning it, is I just put this Chi Silk Infusion, and I use this like before I straighten my hair. And I think this is why my hair is as long and as healthy, like healthy as it is. I put healthy in quotes because I think like hairs like can't be healthy because it's technically just like dead. Anyways, I think that this oh yeah, I got this from TJ Maxx, and I think they charged me extra because of the packaging, but I love the packaging. Oh yeah, also the hot rollers are pink too, so it's pink. The little girl that didn't get to paint stuff pink and wore hand-me-down boy clothes is now living her dream life. My pink pillows and my pink painting, and dreams really do come true. Did I ever show you guys my phone case that I made? So I made this out of rhinestones, and sadly a lot of them fell off. So one day after I'd had a little bit of wine, I was like, let me fix the part of the rhinestones that fell off. But then look what I did. I literally coated it in super glue and kind of messed it up. But it's not so bad when it's on the phone, but I really like that it says my name. This part I really messed up. That must have been after 2 glasses of wine. I'm not sure. But I tried to fix it. It's still cute. It's basically just like a clear case, and I got this from Five Below, and I just kind of attached it to it. Oh my gosh, I'm such a DIY queen. I also made this from the dollar store, and yeah, this is a haul on Pink Haul. This is a Pink Haul, and this is the cutest quote ever. It's from Benjamin Button. It says, "Hope. For what it's worth, it's never too late, or in my case, too early to be whoever you want to be. There's no time limit. Stop whenever you want. You can change or stay the same. There are no rules to this thing. We can make the best or the worst of it. I hope you make the best of it, and I hope you see things that startle you. I hope you feel things you never felt before. I hope you meet people with a different point of view. I hope you live a life you're proud of. If you find you're not, I hope you have the courage to start over again." I like tear up every time I like read that quote because it's so, so sweet. I hope you have the courage to start again. That's what life's about, you know, starting over and over and over and over. So I'm just taking these out. Like I said, I'm not going to hairspray it, but if you wanted to, you totally could hairspray it. See, it's just a gentle, very soft curl. One thing I like about this though is because it's not felt, my hair doesn't stick to it, it's just plastic. I'm like really tired, I don't know why. I think it's because I've been like reading this book. It's called Save the Cat, Write the Novel. Okay, so this was a lot of hair. And so I would just hairspray that curl. But you can see it did give my roots some lift. I guess I'll do like that fast montage. Oh, look at that pretty girl. It's a really good one. So you can see the curls. The smaller ones definitely are a lot tighter. The huge curls are just, they're pretty loose. I'm gonna do the top of my head. Midnight. Da, 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 da. Yeah, I see a lot of left right there. So this is great for giving your roots volume. The only thing is, it's definitely not fast. Like my hair straightener, I think I have like the no, I don't. I have the GHD hair straightener. That one heats up so fast. I think this took like maybe 5 or 10 minutes to heat up the first time I used it and was actually paying attention. Protocol. So it's definitely, this is like if you're gonna take your time getting ready, I think. Or like you would do this first thing in the morning, then have your coffee, then have your breakfast, then do your hair. Then do your hair. Midnight. But it is a very, very pretty curl. It definitely feels very like, I feel very like Hollywood. And then you could spray this, right? To give it some root. And there we go. So definitely works just as well as the full-size kit, but this is gonna be really good for traveling if I travel or go anywhere, which I don't have any plans to go anywhere. Hashtag stay inside forever. It's a habit now. I'd love to go to Europe though. Really put that on my bucket list. But you can see it definitely gave my roots that volume. And then like I said, you know, you would hairspray it and then it would last. Although without hairspray, this did last for 3 days. So hope you enjoyed this video. So I give this an 8 out of 10. It works really well and I love a hot roller. I just think they're so fun and convenient to use. Minus 2 points because there's not enough to do my full hair, but it's such a, you can see it's such a pretty curl. This one turned out really good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Just do it now. Do it right now before you forget. Before you log out of this video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you again in the next video. Bye! There she is, Miss America. I won a gold bear. Thank you. Thank you. The prestigious Gold Bear Award.